In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book client appointments using Meta Business Suite. If you're managing a business page and need an efficient way to handle client bookings, Meta Business Suite is a fantastic tool at your disposal. We're going to walk through the process step by step, so let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Meta Business Suite. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering the URL for Meta Business Suite. Once there, make sure you're logged in to the correct account that you use for your business. This suite is an all-in-one platform designed to help you manage your Facebook and Instagram activities, so having access to the right account is crucial. Next, look for the section labeled All Tools. This is typically found in the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on All Tools will open up a variety of options available to you for managing your business activities. It's like your command center, where you can explore and make use of the different features Meta Business Suite offers. Once you've clicked on All Tools, the next step is to find and click on the Appointments option. This feature is specifically designed for booking client appointments, and it's a straightforward process once you know where to look. If your business page is set up with a booking option, you should see an Add Booking button appear at the top right of the appointment screen. This button is your gateway to scheduling appointments with your clients. By clicking on Add Booking, you can start setting up appointments based on your available time slots and the services you offer. This tool not only helps streamline the booking process, but also ensures that your clients have an easy and accessible way to schedule time with you. It's important to keep your appointment settings up to date, including your availability and any specific details about the services you offer, to provide the best experience for your clients. Remember, the key to effectively using Meta Business Suite for bookings is to regularly check and update your settings. Consistency and clarity in how you present your availability can help reduce no-shows and cancellations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage client appointments using Meta Business Suite. This tool can significantly ease the administrative burden of scheduling and help you focus more on providing great service to your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your appointment booking process. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.